everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today I'm going to present to you pick a card reading on what good news is coming your way. Before we begin, I want to thank all the lovely subscribers who have commented on the last video that I had shared. Thank you so much for all the encouragement, love, support that you guys give me. Please do like and subscribe my channel so that you do not miss any video that I upload, whether it is pick a card or any motivational topic that I share. Alright, so before we begin, let me show you the piles that we have. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. This is a spear from Bosnia. Okay, a lovely girl called Chanchal has gifted to me. This is a beautiful angelite crystal. Okay, and this is an amethyst crystal. Okay, so select whichever resonates with you, whichever is calling to you. Okay, you can just relax, look at all the 3 piles, close your eyes and say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what good news you are sending my way. Then see what pile is calling to you. Whatever pile calls to you is the pile that's going to show you what good news is coming your way. It may so happen that there would be 2 piles that may call to you, so you can select any one or both. Alright, so let's begin. So all those who choose this beautiful spear, okay, here is your reading. So I feel that most of the people who have selected this particular spear, okay, I feel that you guys are pretty grounded. You are an earth sign most probably, or you are somebody whose life purpose involves helping Mother Earth. You're very concerned about the environment, and some of you are also believe a lot in fairies is what I'm getting. You guys have a very good manifestation power. You believe in achieving material goals. At the same time, you're not materialistic. Okay, you do think about you do think about others a lot. You are not selfish by nature. You're quite a people person, in the sense, when I say a people person, does not mean that I want to say that you're an extrovert. What I'm trying to say, you're somebody who really believes in helping others, okay, and you go out of your way is what I'm getting. So let's keep this beautiful stone aside, okay, and let's see what good news is coming your way. Okay, so Judgment. So here I feel that you guys are going to get some good news, okay, regarding communication. Okay, I feel that you are going to reach to the world. Okay, you're going to do something that requires you to go out of your comfort zone, and you will definitely be doing it. I'm getting, you guys are in the field of communication. Okay, maybe you are actors, maybe you are teachers, maybe anything to do with communication. Okay, what I'm getting very strongly, I feel that some of you who are involved in some sort of legal case, or you are waiting for your documentations to get processed. So I feel you may get some of you may receive good news regarding some sort of documentation, some sort of judgment going your way is what I'm getting. Okay, also I feel that some of you have been doing rituals for a particular wish to manifest. So I feel that particular wish is going to get completed. I also feel that you guys have a special connection with Archangel Gabriel. So that is also, she is going to help you in regards to parenting, or with regards to helping children in some way or the other. Okay, what else I'm getting from this card is, you guys, you guys are going to, there's going to be a new beginning is what I'm getting. Okay, but this new beginning is not like the Fool card wherein you do not know where you're going. This new beginning is something that you have decided, you have planned, you have calculated. So the good news will be regarding a new beginning. Okay, new beginning which is calculated. Okay, and this new beginning is going to be really, really great. So new opportunity, new beginning, which is going to be really wonderful. Okay, and all those people who are in communication, expect good things to happen. The second card that you have drawn is the Ten of Swords. So here the good news that I am getting is that, you guys, had a really difficult past. Okay, you have been trying really, really hard for a particular thing to happen which was not happening. You right now, you have kind of hit the rock bottom. So the good news is that this suffering is going to come to an end. Okay, whatever you have, whatever problems that you have faced till now, they're going to end. So I feel this is a card for for new beginnings again. Okay, so I also feel that some of you have been really worried about your weight, and you have been trying your best, okay, to ensure that, your body comes in shape. So even that is going to happen. Some of you have been having back problems, so I see that particular problems getting getting uplifted. So in general, I feel the good news coming your way is the obstacles that you were facing are going to get uplifted. Okay, let's see what other cards you have drawn. King of Pentacles, lovely. So as I said, okay, you guys are going to rise and shine. I see abundance coming your way. I see a man who is in power is going to help you. So you have angel support, you have support from a wise man as well. So whatever you are stuck, okay, at is going to get unstuck. Okay, so the good news is going to be a lot of financial advice which is going to be very, very fruitful. If you guys are worried about your finances, you need to stop worrying, because everything is going to get sorted pretty easily. Also, please understand that whatever you were suffering, okay, it's going to get over. All right, I also see a lot of knowledge being down I see a lot of knowledge being shared by the divine with you, a lot of learning happening. I also am seeing that you are going to evaluate your life, okay, as to what has gone wrong, what you need to correct. So I feel that it's going to be like, the good news coming your way is more like a major change. Okay, major change that's going to make you free. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Let's see your other cards. Let's see what obstacles, on the Facebook I had kind of shared whether you like me to do a reading on what's blessings are coming your way or what's blocking you. So some of you said we would like to have a reading which has both, so I will kind of cover what's blocking you as well. So what's blocking you? Okay, you got the Death card. So here I feel what's blocking you is I feel that whatever past problems that you have gone through, okay, it has kind of made you feel, it has kind of made you lost, it has kind of, make, okay, I'm not getting words out over here. What I'm trying to say is, you lost faith, okay, you lost that faith, or you tend to feel insecure. Okay, there's a lot of insecurity that I'm sensing. So what's blocking you is your own thoughts. Okay, also what's blocking you is your refusal to accept transformation. Okay, you are like, I want change to happen, but I do not want to undergo the process of change. I feel that some of you are stuck in your comfort zone. You do not want to take that risk. You do not want to break boundaries. So the angels are telling you that, in order for you to receive the blessings, you need to break free. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to take action. You need to stop thinking about your past, and you need to stop kind of living in the past, is what I'm getting. What are the other things that's blocking you? You have got the Nine of Swords. So again, a lot of worrying energy, sleepless nights. So I feel, that you need to stop worrying about the blessings that is coming your way, because when you keep on worrying, okay, you tend to block the blessings that's coming your way, because your vibrations go down and you're not able to be in alignment with the blessings that's coming your way. So stop worrying, stop having those sleepless nights. Also, I feel that some of you are not sleeping on time, okay, because either you are on the mobile phone, or you are just thinking about all those things that are not even happened, okay. So in order to experience the blessings, you need to break your habit of living in the past. You need to stop worrying, stop being insecure, is what I'm strongly getting for you guys. Now let's see what the other cards are saying. You have got life energy, okay. So here I feel that the blessing that's coming your way is, okay, that I feel this card is more like the phoenix, okay. So you have suffered a lot, okay, and this card is telling that you're going to shine, you're going to rise, you're going to be full of positivity, okay. You're going to shine like a star. You're going to really bring out the talents that you have, and you're going to show it to the entire world, okay. People around you are going to be amazed by the kind of work that you're going to do. I also feel that some of you have not got recognition for the work that you have done. I feel that most of your work has not reached the right audience, or your work, the credit for your work has been taken by somebody. So now it's time to shine, okay. This particular card is telling me that you're going to shine. All right, let's see what other cards you have got, okay. You got use your imagination and you will see the answer, which again I feel that as I said, since you're not sleeping on time, okay, since you're still living in the past, okay, you are blocked yourself, okay. Your third eye is blocked because you are so worried. So the angels are telling you that if you stop worrying, okay, they will be able to talk to you through your imagination. They will be able to talk to you through your intuition. So you need to clear all the fog that you have created in your mind, so that they're able to talk to you through your third eye, through your intuition, okay. Again, you got the humor card. So I feel the good news coming your way is going to lighten you up, okay. It's going to get in that energy of happiness, joy. So I feel the good news coming your way is related to joy, is related to abundance, it's related to recognition, okay, for the work that you have done, for your talents, okay. And also I see the good news coming your way is ending of a tough pattern or a tough cycle, okay. The next card that you have drawn, okay, is integrity. So because of what happened to you in the past, okay, you have kind of lost that faith, okay, in your you were kind of ready to accept whatever, you're ready to compromise, okay. So now the angels are telling you there is no need for you to compromise, okay, because they're going to give you the respect that you really deserved. okay, you are able to, you'll be able to take up work that matches your values, okay, because in the past you had to kind of take what it comes, maybe because of the financial responsibilities that you had, or maybe because you were not getting the kind of recognition your work deserved. So the angels are telling you that do not be disheartened, because they will send you work that will match your values, okay. They will send you customers who will be respecting your work. So I see a lot of respect coming your way, okay. The next card that you have drawn is soulmate relationship. So I feel all those people, okay, the ones who are singles, okay, there's a high chance of you meeting somebody whom towards whom you'll be drawn, okay. Also I feel the ones who are already in a relationship, I feel that your relationship is going to get more stronger, okay. You both are going to bond with each other, okay. I also feel that there's a lot of divine grace that is going to be bestowed on you as a couple, okay. That's what I'm getting. The next card, oh my god, so beautiful, it's the card of marriage, okay. So some singles will hear good news, okay, about getting married. I also feel that the ones, as I said, okay, even this card said the same thing, that the ones who are already in a relationship, who are already married, okay, will definitely experience better times in their marriage, okay, as the angels and the fairies are blessing you. The next card that you guys have drawn is of abundance. Wow, so this particular pile, so many good news is coming your way. You're getting abundance, you're getting love, you're getting life energy, integrity, recognition. My god, you guys are getting a lot of stuff out here. So as I said before also, when I saw this particular card, abundance is going to come your way. Okay, I also feel that in this particular group there are many people who either believe in goddess Fortuna or goddess Lakshmi. So these goddesses are going to bless you with a lot of abundance. And I also feel that you guys are going to shine, okay. As I said before also, there's a lot of recognition coming your way, okay. The next card that you have got is take your time making this decision. So as I said, there will be a wise man who will help you to take decisions, okay. There will be angel assistants also to take to take decisions, since there is going to be a transformation, okay. As you're going to come out of the bad time into a good time. So there will be a lot of choices that will be available to you, and this particular choices would require you to make a sound decision, okay. So the angels are telling you no need to rush, no need to take decision based on your fears, okay. The angels are telling you that there is a man who is wise, there is Archangel Gabriel with you, who is going to help you. So take your time making any decisions, do not rush into it, and you'll be the good news coming your way is that you will be able to take decisions that are going to help you, okay. Now let's go ahead. Pregnancy, oh wow. So soulmate, marriage, pregnancy. So those couples, okay, the ones who are trying to get pregnant, okay, to take their family ahead, okay, there will be some movement with regards to your wish of becoming a parent. Some of you will become parents, some of you will receive good news, okay. I also feel that this particular pile, the ones who are working on a new project, okay, a new business idea, a new project, or anything new that you are working on which is in the creative stage, okay, the angels are going to help you in bringing this particular idea, this particular creation into a beautiful reality, okay. The next card you have got is go slow. So what I feel is that over here, okay, since you guys are going to undergo a major transformation, The angels are telling you, that it may overwhelm you, this kind of transformation, because things will happen so fast that it may, kind of put you in a shocked state, or it may make you feel little hurried up, like somebody is kind of, hurrying you up. So the angels are telling you to take it slow. If you feel things are going too fast and it's confusing you, or if you need to get out of your comfort zone, do not be scared, okay? Take your time, okay, to take the steps, okay? Also, the angels are telling that the ones who are married, okay, or who are in a committed relationship, you will actually get time to know each other in a positive way, okay? Your relationship will definitely improve for better, and you will be able to kind of understand where you both were going wrong, what you need to do to make it right. So a lot of understanding each other is going to happen, okay? So if I have to sum up, okay, what good news is going to come in pile one's way, okay, I do see love, I do see better times for the ones who are in a relationship. I do see abundance coming your way, and a man helping you to make good decisions, a lot of new ideas, a lot of working on new projects, recognition coming your way, a lot of joyful opportunities coming your way, happiness coming your way. What else I'm getting for pile one? Okay, let me see. One thing that I'm getting very strongly for pile one is that you guys are manifesting. You guys do ensure that when the full moon comes, when the new moon comes, you do something or the other, which is really, really amazing. Okay, I also feel that some of you have been dreaming for a home, okay, and you are kind of wondering from where the money is going to come. So I somewhere feel that the money will show up, no need to worry. But yes, pile one, you have to break out of your comfort zone, is what I'm getting very, very strongly. You'll have to work on your belief system, because you guys, you have undergone so many tough times in life that it has kind of, made you a little bit of negative, okay? Though you are trying your best to be positive, but the negativity kind of just catches you unexpected, okay, is what I'm getting. But a lot of good news coming your way, pile one. You got the most amazing cards. You got abundance, pregnancy, marriage, soulmate, communication, recognition, humor, and the only thing that's blocking you is you, okay? So please get out of your way. Please get out of your comfort zone, okay? So now let's see what the angels are telling you via angel numbers, okay? Okay, 5 and 19. So it's very clear 5 represents changes, positive changes. So we have already seen, as I said to you before also, there is going to be an ending of an old pattern and beginning of a new journey, okay? The number 19 is telling me that the universe is listening to your thoughts, okay? So be positive. Second thing, the angels are also telling you that regarding your career, regarding your life purpose, regarding your business, okay, you need to be more positive, because you kind of become a bit negative. Also, the angels are telling you that you need to understand that whatever you think, okay, you are attracting. So be very careful of what you're attracting in terms of your career. But the number 5 is telling me a lot of positive changes. Now let's see what the crystals, what message the crystals would like to give you. Okay, so see, okay, you guys have got the bloodstone, which is a stone of courage, okay? So this particular stone is asking you to be courageous, which even I told you. So you need to be more confident, you need to believe in yourself. And also you got the clear quartz, which is a stone of manifestation. So this particular stone is telling you that there is a lot of white energy available to you. Okay, so make use of this white energy, okay, and manifest what you need. See, over here also I got use your imagination and you will see the answer, which again is telling you to manifest. Okay, because whatever you are asking, the answers are within you. The only thing that you need to do is clear the mental fog, and you will clear the mental fog when you will shift your energies from negative to positive. Okay, so bloodstone is asking you to also take care, the ones who have blood pressure issues. Okay, maybe in the past your blood pressure has kind of hiked up because of the tension that you were taking. So this particular crystal is telling you to be, to kind of lower your stress levels and also keep a check on your blood pressure. And the clear cause is telling me that you are going to get a lot of downloads. Okay, also need to trust your intuition because some of you are kind of doubting it, so be more confident. I also feel some of you are into some form of divination, so you need to trust your intuition because you're not trusting your intuition, and later on when it comes true you're like, oh my god, I should have listened to it. So don't get into that phase. Do listen to your intuition. So group number 1, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section what you really liked, what resonated with you. Also, if you have any suggestions for the next topic on which I can do a pick a card reading, do write in the comment section. I do read your comments. Okay, so thank you group number 1 for this lovely cards that you guys have chosen. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Bye. So all those who have chosen this beautiful angelite spear, first and foremost, I feel you have a strong connect with the angels. The angels love you. The angels are constantly talking to you through your intuition, so you need to listen to them. Also, I feel that you guys, you are believers. Okay, you believe in yourself very strongly is what I'm getting. Also, recently you guys, have been discovering the spiritual side of yourself more, so that's awesome as well. So I also feel that you guys, you have been having, some of you, of course, some of you have been having some sort of issues with your throat. Okay, so that's going to be taken care of. Don't worry. Do follow the medications which the doctors have given you, but also communicate more clearly is what I'm getting. Okay, so a lot of angels are with group number 2. Now let's see what good news is coming your way. Okay, so the first card that you guys have drawn is Magician. So here I am getting that you guys are going to do complete, justice to your skills. Okay, I'm getting that there would be magical opportunities that are going to come your way, and you are going to make the most out of this particular opportunities. I also feel there are a lot of things that are going to get healed in your life. Okay, especially the matters related to heart. I feel that some of you, you guys, have been having a blocked heart chakra, or maybe you have undergone some sort of grief, which is kind of, which is kind of making your heart a bit heavy. So I feel all those things are going to get healed. You are going to create magic. Magic is going to come in your life. I feel that you guys are also, some of you would be able to, some of you who have been taken advantage of. Okay, you guys will be able to draw boundaries is what I'm getting as well. What else I'm getting from this card? Oh, again, this is a card of communication. So yes, you guys are going to communicate more clearly is what I'm getting. You guys are going to weave magic with the way you communicate. You're going to convince people is what I'm getting. You're going to sound so convincing to people. Whatever mode you're going to use, people are going to get convinced with what you're talking. All right. And what else this card is telling me? The good news that I feel is going to come your, you guys are just going to create awesome magic. Okay, the next card that you have drawn with regards to good news coming your way is Five of Cups. So you guys, are now going to look at the positive side of life. Okay, you guys, yes, you have been disappointed, you have suffered some kind of loss. Okay, so the angels are telling you that this loss is over. Okay, and now you will be the good news will come, which will make you feel so blessed. Okay, you'll feel so good that, okay, I did go through this bad times, but look what, the angels are now blessing me with good times. Okay, so whatever loss you have incurred, okay, the universe will replace it or will give you something to really be happy about. The next card that you have got is the Hierophant card, which means a lot of knowledge coming your way. I feel that you guys are going to earn a lot of respect from the society. Okay, there will be people who will look up to you. I also feel that you will be able to kind of, understand yourself in a better way. You'll have a special connect with the divine, is what also I'm getting. I'm also getting that you are going to discover your roots. Okay, something that, with there was, before you face the challenges of life, you were a different person, and today you're a different person. Okay, so the angels are telling you that the part of you, okay, which you have lost because of your experiences, that beautiful part of you, okay, you're going to get that back. Okay, is what I'm getting. Also, I feel that the ones who are in the profession of teaching, you guys are going to earn so much of respect. You are going to create magic not only in your life but in other people's life as well. I also see that some of you who were not getting support from the society or from the family, okay, you will start getting the support that you are seeking. Okay, so these are the beautiful miracles the beautiful good things coming your way, good news coming your way. Okay, now let's see what is blocking you. Okay, so Nine of Wands, which means that your own fears are blocking you. You need to overcome your fears. Okay, because you tend to kind of, because of whatever you have suffered in the past, you tend to be very fearful, so you need to overcome your fears. Okay, and then you have got King of Cups. This, so it, you know your emotions are kind of blocking you. Also, I feel that you seek approval of some maybe a boss, maybe a father figure, or maybe your husband or your boyfriend or a friend. Okay, you tend to seek approval for whatever you do. Okay, you kind of always tend to go to them that I need their approval. So the angel that's blocking you, okay, whatever you are doing, okay, you should feel good in your heart about it. Okay, that's what the card is telling me. Also, I feel that you tend to go on an emotional roller coaster ride because of your anxiety and fear. So you need to stop, you need to use your emotions in a better way. Okay, do not let your emotions control you. Be the one who is able to channelize the emotions in a right way to go ahead. So this is what is blocking you. Now see, the next card that you have drawn is Boundaries, which again is, talking about these obstacles. You need to understand that whatever losses that you faced, okay, there has to be a boundary. See, this man, there is a boundary which he has made. Okay, so you need to understand that these boundaries is required. Okay, this boundary is required for you to be safe. Okay, so you need to remove all those toxic people. And the good news coming your way is that you will be able to demarcate. Okay, you'll be able to set that boundary. You'll be removing a lot of toxic people from your life who have kind of, taken advantage of you. Okay, The next card that you have drawn is, wow, magical blessings. So the reading is what blessings is coming your way, and you have got two magical cards. One is the magician and the next is the magical blessings. So here I feel that you're going to learn some sort of course which is going to be regarding mindset, regarding magic, regarding rituals. And this particular course that you are going to learn, okay, is going to change your life, is going to bring in a lot of blessings your way. Okay, also I feel that some of you are going to remove toxic friends out of your life, and you're going to get really good friends who are like-minded, friends who are going to uplift you, is what I'm getting. The next card, oh look, your goddess manifestation. I just told you that you are, see again, this particular fairy, she is using a magic wand. Here the magician is using a magic wand. So I feel that whatever wishes you have been working on in terms of manifesting it, in terms of using the law of attraction, that is going to come true in your life. Okay, and you got the card of near future. So a lot of changes going to happen in your near future, wherein you're going to bring in a lot of light in your life. Okay, vegetarian. So the good news coming your way is that you are going to improve your eating habits. You're going to eat more healthy. You're going to take care of your body. Some of you are planning to lose weight or gain weight. You're going to achieve that, okay, by good eating habits. Okay, you then got the card of ready, set, go. So over here I feel that whatever I feel that you guys, you were kind of wanting to move ahead in life, and somehow somewhat or the other was some of the other obstacle was coming your way and not allowing you to go ahead. So the good news is that all the obstacles that were stopping your growth, they're going to go, and you will be all ready to go ahead in your life. Okay, vacuum away your fear. Okay, vacuum away fear. So I told you, right, there are blockages, you are insecure, you are fearful. So even this card is telling you that Archangel Michael is going to remove all the fearful energies from you, so that you can go ahead, you can manifest, you can create magic, you can get those blessings. Okay, so whatever was kind of holding you back, okay, whatever fears, okay, that were holding you back, okay, they're going to go away from your life. All those people who were who were kind of not letting you go ahead, they are all going to go away from your life. Your children are watched over by angels. So all the ones who were worried about their children's safety, do not worry, your children are safe. The angels are going to send more protection energy to your children. Also I feel that some of you are planning for a baby, but you kind of have faced a miscarriage in the past, or maybe you have faced disappointment in the past, okay, regarding conception. So the angels are telling you that do not worry, okay, they are with you and they will ensure that you and your baby both are safe. Okay, the next card the next good news coming your way is admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. So as I said, you are going to be very true to yourself. You're going to identify who are those people whom you need to get out of your life in order for you to go ahead. You are going to identify what eating habits are not serving you. You're going to remove that out of your life. So basically you guys are going to take back the control in your life. Okay, right now you were in a stage where life was happening to you, but you're going to change gear. Okay, you're now going to you're not now going to take charge of your life. You're going to understand, okay, this is the problem, this is how I solve this problem. So you're going to take charge, okay, is what I'm clearly getting. Also I see a lot of respect coming your way. I see if I want to sum up what kind of good news is coming your way, I see a lot of multiple blessings. I see all the sorrows that you have faced will be replaced by joy. Okay, I see that a lot of fear energy that was there in your auric field in your life, all those fearful energies are going to go away. I see that you are going to create magic in your and other people's life. I see that the ones who are planning for a baby can expect good news. Okay, I also see a lot of knowledge being downpoured on you. This is something similar which even the pile one had. Okay, downpour of knowledge. Okay, even you guys have the same. So I feel basically, if I had to sum it up, you'll be able to use your emotions to to uplift yourself. Okay, is what I'm clearly getting. But yes, lots and lots of positive energy, lot of good news regarding your health, a lot of good news regarding your insecurities going away, a lot of toxic people going away, a lot of knowledge being given and shared. This is what your cards are telling. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling. Okay, so you have got 20, you have got 63, and you have got 60. So 2 6s. Okay, which means your material things will be taken care of, and 2 zeros. Okay, which means the creator loves you. In the beginning of the pile itself, I told you that the angels love you, the creator loves you. Okay, I also see that you guys are going to get that. You guys have been struggling with luck. Okay, so the good news coming your way is that you'll be blessed with good luck. Okay, a lot of material things will be taken care of. The angels are going to increase the faith that you have in them. Okay, now let's see what your crystals message are. Oh my god, you guys have got 2 amethyst. Okay, so okay, again amethyst. Okay, it's a stone of protection, which you already, the angels have told that if you had any fear, okay, regarding your safety, your children's safety, this amethyst crystal is also telling you that it's going to it's going to protect you. Also, there is prosperity coming your way, because amethyst is a stone of prosperity, protection, and it's a master healer. So I see a lot of healing energy coming your way, healing regarding emotions, healing regarding physical health. So this particular, also I feel you guys are going to have very good intuition. Okay, you're going to see things clearly. You were kind of not able to see you were able to see the lies that the other people were telling you, but you were not able to speak your truth. Okay, you're not able to kind of tell them assertively that, look, this is what you were doing, and I do not accept this kind of treatment from you. So amethyst is telling that you guys are going to get that clarity. You're going to set boundaries very clearly, and you're going to be safe while making this tough calls. Okay, so lovely group 2. Okay, if you liked the blessings that's coming your way, do write in the comment section what you resonated with. But I do see lots of magical energies, lot of emotional healing coming your way, a lot of physical healing coming your way, a lot of magic you're going to create, a lot of fear energy going away, a lot of obstacles getting lifted, and you guys are going to just rock and go ahead like there is no tomorrow. All right, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Have a great day ahead. All those who have chosen pile number 3, okay, first and foremost, you have chosen this beautiful amethyst crystal. Okay, I feel that you guys have got a very, very strong intuition. I feel you have a very, very strong aura too. I kind of I can clearly feel that you guys are protected. Okay, there is a strong divine being protecting you. I also feel that you guys are either into people love your company. When they talk to you, they feel so light. You are very good in advising people what they need to do. You're also very good at listening to other people. I feel that you have got, you're able to tap into your higher consciousness and your higher self, and you're able to help others with the with your intuition, with your inner voice. And you guys are really really protected. I'm getting that very strongly. Okay, now let's see what your cards are saying. What good news is going to come your way? Okay, the first card that you guys have got is Six of Pentacles. So here there would, I see that you guys have been waiting for some sort of help, especially in terms of finances. So the angels are telling that whatever financial assistance that you were looking at, whatever new avenues of money that you were looking at, whatever new avenues of opportunities that you were looking at, that you're going to receive. This card is telling me good news is going to come regarding finances. Okay, it is also telling me that you guys have helped someone. Okay, and the universe is going to bless you in return. Okay, lot of good news coming your way regarding regarding money. It can be windfall of money, it can be financial help, it can be the some of you were looking for that particular loan, so that particular loan is going to show up. I also feel that there is going to be karma is going to bless you. Okay, because you guys have kind of really really gone out of your way in the past to help others, and karma is going to bless you manifold with lots and lots of assistance. The heaven is going to help you. There is going to be a man or a woman who is going to be really very successful, and that particular person is going to identify that you deserve deserve an opportunity, and they will be presenting an opportunity to you. Okay, the next card that you have drawn is the Ten of Wands. So the good news coming your way. You guys have been so stressed. Okay, you have been burdened. Okay, with responsibilities, with taking care of everybody. So the angels are going to send you a good news, which is going to take your burden away, which is going to take your stress away. So the angels are going to bless you with more energy of rest and rejuvenation. Okay, the burdens that you were the responsibilities that you were taking all by yourself, the burden that you were taking all by yourself, the angels are going to send you help, send you assistance. Okay, the next card that you have drawn is Queen of Swords. Okay, so here the angels are telling you that they're going to give you a lot of clarity. Okay, they're going to give you a lot of they're going to make you more assertive, is what I'm feeling. Okay, so the good news coming your way is that there will be a woman who will stand for you, there will be a woman who will support you as well. I also feel a lot of spiritual growth will be there for you guys. I see a lot of fog getting cleared up, and you guys tend to question a lot. Okay, regarding how you will get blessings. So the angels are telling you that the how part that you always had will be answered. Okay, so I see lot of clarity coming your way. Okay, very, but finances is what I'm seeing. The good news will be more related to finances, career, job is what I'm getting very very clearly. The other card that you have drawn in terms of obstacle, what is blocking you, is Four of Swords. So here I feel that you guys are not you guys see, you need to kind of at times understand that rest and rejuvenation is required before you take that leap. Okay, because when you take a leap you need a lot of energy, both mentally and physically. So in order for you to take that leap, you need that rest, you need that healing, you need that rejuvenation. Also I feel that some of you are not really appreciating the blessings that the divine has given you. You're kind of taking it for granted. Okay, also feel that some of you are ignoring your home altar. Okay, so you need to take care of that. You need to ensure that your home altar is looked after. Also, I feel that you need to have that that unshakable faith in the divine is what I'm getting. The next thing that is blocking you is Knight of Pentacles. So I feel you guys are too much of a perfectionist. Okay, you need to understand that perfection is good, but anything that is too much is never good. So you need to kind of there is some work that you guys are doing. Okay, but you tend to do get into so much of detail. Okay, that the timelines get affected. So that is why the angels are telling you that since you're not able to give your work in proper timeline, because you want too much of perfection, you are missing out on opportunities. Okay, so you need to understand that yes, you need to be perfect, but there is no such thing as too much perfection. Okay, a little bit of flaw here and there is okay. So do not be too harsh on yourself, do not push yourself too much. Okay, also I feel that some of you tend to take you have a friend, or a friend maybe who is younger to you, or maybe who is a little bit youthful in terms of his or her behavior. So you need to stop trusting that friend blindly. You need to also listen to your inner voice than trusting a particular friend is what I'm getting. The next card that you have drawn in terms of blessing is Archangel Michael. No wonder you had got the amethyst. Okay, his crystals are sodalite and also amethyst. So Archangel Michael is giving you all the protection. I told you in the beginning of the pile itself that you guys are protected, you guys are safe. There's a lot of Michael energy around you. Okay, so the blessing coming your way is a lot of protection. Okay, because when you're going to receive that kind of money, when you're going to receive that kind of opportunities, of course not everybody is going to be happy with that, but do not worry, you are going to be safe because Archangel Michael is going to help you. Also, I feel that some of you will start working on your life purpose. The next card you're drawn is explore your options. So right now I feel that you were not having you had only one path. Okay, I feel that there will be multiple paths that's going to come your way. Okay, the good news is that you will have choices. Okay, earlier it was like you had to just take up one thing. I also feel the ones who are in corporate career are going to explore business ideas. I also feel that the ones who are in business are going to explore different avenues of business, different streams of business. So a lot of new opportunities are going to get created in terms of finances, in terms of career. The next card that you have got, okay, is lost and found. So I feel that this particular group, okay, you have lost something, so definitely you are going to find that particular object. I feel that somebody in this group, okay, has lost some jewelry. Okay, so there's a high chances of you finding that jewelry. Also, I feel that the ones who have kind of kept their gold as against a loan, or the ones who have kind of kept their property against a loan. Okay, you guys are going to retrieve that property or that gold that you have kept against the loan, because there will be a financial help. Also, the ones who are contemplating keeping keeping the gold, and taking up a loan, the angels are telling you that do not worry. You may not have to keep your gold and take loan. There will be financial help that will be provided. But I see majority of you who have lost, okay, are going to get back whatever you have lost. If you have lost an object, you will get that object back. But I don't see any excess coming back. Okay, so please do not read this card in that manner. I do see opportunities which were lost, okay, because of XYZ reason, and you were really sad about missing those opportunities. I feel that you're going to have alternate opportunities coming your way. I'm seeing somebody who has lost. I feel I somebody has lost a ring, okay, a ring or an earring, okay. You may find that, okay, is what I'm getting. Somebody has lost some blue object. I see that you may receive that as well. Also, I feel that the ones who are in antique business, okay, or you have some sort of antique object, okay, you need to get that in the market, because there will be a good price that you will receive for that object. Okay, let's see what other blessings are coming your way. You got positive energy, so definitely a lot of positive things are going to come your way. I feel that there is going to be an energetic shift, okay. The ones who were stressed, you're going to have more of positive energy. You're going to feel more positive. From stress, you will be moved to positive. I feel that, you know, the ones who have been working really hard, you're going to get some respite, okay. You're going to get some help. So if you are somebody who did not have a team, you will get that team. If you're working on a project and you needed some help, okay, to make that project work, that help will be provided, okay. The next card that you have got is perfect timing, okay. So I feel that whatever you were praying for, okay, was getting delayed, and you were getting really frustrated with that delay, that you were like, oh my god, when my time is going to come, when am I going to get this. So the angels are telling that your time is now coming, okay. The good news is your time is just right around the corner, okay, and your time to shine, your time to experience good things is there, okay. The next card that you're drawn is Patience Please, which again goes with the perfect timing. Solitude. So I feel that you guys, you know, you have been lonely, okay. So the angels are telling you that they are going to, or I feel, you know, that you guys had to do everything on your own. I feel most of you are self-made people, okay. So the angels are telling you that yes, you were doing a lot of things all by yourself, but not any longer. The angels will be sending you help. Also, I feel that the angels will give you moments of peace, wherein you will be in total harmony, okay, by being in your own company. I also feel that you guys are going to love yourself more, okay. I feel that, you know, earlier you were kind of always wanting seeking some sort of approval from outside or love from outside. So you guys are going to learn to love yourself more. You guys are going to you guys are going to understand what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are, and you guys are going to work on it, okay. The next card that you got is Support. See, again, okay, you started the major blessing coming your way is support, and again over here also you got drawn the card of support. So a lot of support coming your way, a lot of help coming your way, but allow it to happen. You guys, you know, you have blockage to receiving. You are givers but not receivers. So the angels are asking you, look, the blessing that comes your way needs you to be in allowance of receiving. So if somebody is offering you help, take it. Don't be shy. You know, it's not about self-respect, okay. At times everybody needs help, okay. Everybody needs assistance. Be open to receiving that. The next card that you got is Pay Attention to Your Dreams. So I feel that some of you have kind of, you know, discounted certain dreams of yours because you think, oh no, I'm not of a right age, or oh no, I can't, you know, this dream can't happen because I have too much of responsibilities. The angels are telling you that no, okay, you need to stop ignoring your dreams. You need to pay attention to your dreams. Also, I feel that some of you are going to have really very vivid dreams, okay, wherein the angels will guide you where you can get help, wherein the angels will guide you how you can go ahead in life, okay. The next card that you have drawn is new love. So the ones who are singles, okay, there's a high probability that a friend of yours, okay, or some contact of yours will introduce you to someone who is single as well. So some of you who are going, you need to be open and you need to meet this person, okay. Also I feel that, as I said, you guys are going to love yourself more, okay, is what I'm getting. So if I had to sum up what good news is coming your way, I see a lot of financial help. I see a lot of funds coming your way. I see new businesses, new avenues of businesses opening up. The ones who are in corporate career, I see some alternate career opening up for you. I also see that whatever you have lost, you're going to find it, whether it is hope, whether it is an object, or whether it is belief, okay, you're going to find it, okay. Also I'm feeling that the blessing coming your way is less responsibilities and more more rest and rejuvenation, okay. I see a lot of positive energy coming your way. I see a lot of healing happening to you. I see a lot of assertiveness coming your way. I also see a lot of support, okay. The good news coming your way is financial help and support, okay. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling. Okay. Okay. So the first thing that the angels are telling you is that you guys, okay, you got 1 and 6, okay. So yes, there will be a lot of whatever you require help in, okay, in terms of material aspects, okay, just visualize that money coming in, okay. The angels are telling you, do not focus on how the money is going to show up, just whatever it is, okay. If you desire, if you are praying for say 2 lakh rupees, or you wish to make your income 2 lakh rupees per month, the angels are asking you to just visualize that 2 lakhs coming your way. Do not focus on the how part of it. The next thing the angels are telling you, that there is that you need to focus on what work, okay, what work gives you that satisfaction, what is your passion, and you need to pay attention to it. The angels are telling you that you need to, that there is support available, okay. There you have love of the creator. So whatever your passion is, okay, if it was always your dream to be a stand-up comedian, the angels are asking you to start at least side by side. They're not asking you to quit your job right now and get into your hobby, but what they're telling you to explore your passion side by side, okay, regarding your life purpose. The next number that you got is 2 and 8, okay, which means that you will see, have faith, okay, all your money related issues are going to get resolved, okay. There is a lot of, see what I feel, group 3, that you guys have had a lot of financial burdens, okay. Financial burdens, career burdens. So the good news that is going to come your way is going to resolve, is going to solve all your financial burden. So this is what your angel numbers are also saying. Now let's see what the crystals are telling you. Okay, the amethyst kind of fell again. You had also drawn the amethyst spear. So guys, the amethyst energy is very, very strongly with you. You have got the crystal clear quartz, which means it's a crystal of manifestation. Also, it's a crystal of clarity. So I feel that you guys have been confused about whether you should pursue your passion or not. So this clear quartz is telling me that it is going to give you clarity on how you can go ahead pursuing your dreams, okay. They're going to open up opportunities for you. They're going to send all those people to you who are going to help you in pursuing your passion, is what I'm getting from this crystal. You got the green aventurine crystal, which is a crystal of opportunities. So here I feel that your heart chakra, okay, is going to get healed. Also, I feel you also got a card of new love, and as I said, you are going to love yourself more. Also, is a stone of opportunities and prosperity. So I feel that you guys are going to shine. Okay, you guys are going to shine. Is what this the green aventuring is telling me, that you guys are going to shine real bright. Okay, you're going to do what your heart's desire is. Okay, is what I'm getting. The amethyst is telling me that you need to listen to your intuition, which you are not. Okay, this is what the amethyst is telling me. It's telling me, that you need to kind of you're not paying attention to your external, I would not say that you need to be vain, but what the amethyst crystal is telling me, that you used to pay attention earlier to how you dress, and all, but nowadays you're not paying attention to it. So the angels, the amethyst is telling you that you need to pay attention to, you need to invest in yourself, is what this amethyst is telling me. You need to invest in your wardrobe, in your, you need to find that lost charm that you had. Okay, because over here you also got the card of lost and found. So this is what group number 3, the message was from your tarot cards, from your angel cards, from the angel numbers and the crystals. I hope you resonated with this message. Do write in the comment section what you resonated with, and if you have a topic which you would like me to do a pick a card reading on, do put it in the comment section. Do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do share this video with all those people whom you think will benefit by seeing this video. Okay, thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead.